Monthly subscription. A monthly subscription is the most familiar kind. You pay once every month to keep access to a service, whether that is streaming, software, news, fitness, or cloud storage. It became popular because it feels manageable. The cost is smaller than paying for a full year all at once, and it gives people the freedom to leave without waiting too long. For companies, it creates steady recurring income. For customers, it is easy to understand, but over time the small charge can quietly add up. Annual subscription. An annual subscription means paying for a full year in one charge. Companies usually make it cheaper than 12 monthly payments, so it rewards commitment. This model became common in software and memberships because it helps businesses predict revenue and reduces the chance that users will cancel after a short period. For the customer, it can save money, but it also carries more risk. If you stop using the service after a few months, the lower price no longer feels like a good deal. Weekly subscription. You are charged every week instead of every month. The number looks small, but repeated weekly payments can become expensive faster than people expect. Daily subscription. You pay for access one day at a time. It works for short-term needs, but the cost per day is usually much higher than longer plans. Family subscription. One plan covers several people, usually in the same household. It lowers the price per person, but it often comes with account-sharing rules. Student subscription. This is a discounted plan for verified students. Companies use it to attract younger users early, and the lower price usually ends when student status expires. Free trial conversion. The service starts free, then becomes paid automatically unless you cancel in time. What matters most here is not the trial itself, but the moment it turns into a charge. Tiered subscription. The service offers several levels like basic, standard, and premium. The fee changes depending on how many features, limits, or perks you want. Per user subscription. The price depends on how many people need access. It is common in business software, where the total bill rises as a team gets bigger. Usage-based subscription. There is a recurring fee, but the final cost also depends on how much you use the service. That makes it flexible, but less predictable. Add-on subscription. This is an extra recurring charge on top of a base plan for things like more storage, better support, or advanced features. It matters because the real price may be higher than the advertised starting fee. Auto-renewing subscription. The plan keeps renewing and charging until you cancel it yourself. It is convenient, but also easy to forget. Cancellation fee. This is a charge for ending a subscription before the required term is over. It appears more often in gyms, internet contracts, and phone plans than in simple digital subscriptions.